Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Hello, everyone in Crypto Legends show, the best educational show about Bitcoin and about trading education. How are you today? How are you? How are you? How are you? So, my name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super, hyper, mega, super legends. I'm the best of the best. I'm the number one all around the world. And today we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin, as usual, because we always talk about the price of Bitcoin. But there are also some updates about altcoin today. So let's go fast, let's go quick. So Bitcoin is still in this channel, the channel that has 24,700 here. This is the resistance level, and as you can see, Bitcoin was rejected from last week. Yes, we had this small downtrend here, and yeah, the price fall down from $24,700 to the 22,600 region, and this is the 4-hour chart. So in the 4-hour chart, we had like $2,000 of downtrend at the moment. And yesterday, what happened yesterday to the price of Bitcoin? Yesterday, the price of Bitcoin saw this dip, and it started to raise up once again, but it faced this resistance in the daily. So this resistance level in the daily was from yesterday, and also at the moment the market conditions are really on fear and uncertain and doubt. But from the level of yesterday here, the 23,500, it starts again a small pullback with a selling pressure from 23,600 to 22,006. So we drop once again. We drop once again in the 4-hour time frame. But the price of Bitcoin, in my opinion, is still good to buy, because this support level is still good. Yeah, at the moment this support level around the 22,600 is still good, very good, because we didn't broke this support in the 4 hours. So at the moment, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish about the price of Bitcoin, because, yeah, if you can see here, also there are small support resistance on formation. So in the 4 hour, I'm still bullish on the price of Bitcoin. Your vote from the last week should be somewhere around here, the 20,700, where this is the support where the price start to recover and to move up once again. So this should be your entry long. And yeah, your last resistance in the 4 hour was $24,700 around the top here in the 4 hours, and then we start this small downtrend, but the support level is still resisting. It's still yeah, it's still it was not broke up at the moment, so this is still valid. This is still valid, yes. And yeah, it's still valid, but I saw a lot of people who try to short this level, this is, in my opinion, is extremely dangerous because, yeah, if you short here right now and you are not patient, what you are risking is that the price of Bitcoin could turn really fast, and you can take you are like shorting the support level, this support level. So, in my opinion, is not good. Is not really good to open the short here. But if you are going to sell, you are going to sell lower than this support, because if it broke up this support level and it fall down lower, like could be possible. This still could be possible. Like if the price move here, yeah, this is the best time to open your short, because you have to wait that we broke up the support level. And yeah, otherwise here I'm not short. Here I'm not short. Also, if the short pressure is really high, I'm not shorting here, because I'm waiting that the price pass this support level. Otherwise, I can start my short somewhere around here, around 22,300, but I will not start a short here, because as I told you, in the 4 hours we still have this support level, and the price could turn really fast bullish once again in this channel. So in my opinion, this is not the good time to short. This is not the best time to short. And yeah, I want to say thank you everyone for your support. Thank you Ibemalu, and thank you David for your comments. I really appreciate. And yeah, subscribe, join our community, Crypto Legends. Join us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Join our community on Telegram. My name is CryptoBuck. Follow me on social media. Follow CryptoBuck on Twitter. Follow CryptoBuck on Instagram. And sure, come here to our live show and share with me your indicators, share with me your charts, share with me all you know about Bitcoin. I want to see your charts, I want to see your indicators, and yeah, come and let me know your point of view, let me know your ideas about Bitcoin. So my idea about Bitcoin is that now I'm still not bearish at the moment, because there are different reasons. So from what can I see here in the 4 hour time frame, at the moment Bitcoin he still have this support level around 22,600, and this is really good because we didn't broke up this support level. We didn't broke up already this support level. And why I'm not shorting here? Because I still think that this support could be really important, because it's still holding. So I think that once again the price of Bitcoin could turn, and let's move higher from here. And yeah, this is really good and for Bitcoin, because yeah, as long as this area and this support resist, we can still move higher. So yeah, this is still good in my opinion. And also, if you can see here, there are small support level information. So this support level are still good for Bitcoin, but only if we drop down, we drop below the $22,600 of Bitcoin. Only if this resistance around $22,600 will be broke up, I will think to open my short in the 4 hours around lower than here. So In the last week, we had this support level and this support level around, this was the lower, around $18,000. So if the price from here drop below the 22,600 resistance, here I could open my short, because here the price could fall down dramatically and could reach once again the 20,700 support first, and the second support is still around the 19,000, but we have one support. I don't know if these support are still valid, because if you can see the daily, we can still drop lower around 17,000 was the first dip. So in the daily chart, we have three higher highs. Yeah, this was the first dip. Okay, it was the first dip was really strong, and the price went down to $70,000. And then this was a standard pattern called Adam and Eve. So this is really clear, and it could it could be shown really easily. So this was Adam and Eve pattern. And last week here, Bitcoin had a cap with handle. So the price had got a bullish break here, and set to higher highs. So one higher high here and one higher high here. And yeah, it was rejected before we touched the EMA 200 in the daily. It was around here, like, and the price was rejected, so we didn't reach already. But this you can see also in the daily, there are different, the good news for Bitcoin is that there are different support level on formation around the $22,000. So this is the reason why I'm still bullish. Only if this resistance will not hold, because could be possible. Yeah, if this resistance around the $22,000 could not hold, and we can start to move lower. And here, yeah, this could be the drop of Bitcoin around $80,000, $70,000. But I'm still positive about the price. I don't want to go there. I don't want to short. I want to buy more Bitcoin at spot. This is my strategy at the moment. I want to have more coins in my wallet. I want to buy more at spot. I don't want to go leverage. I don't want to go margin trading. I just want to buy and hold. This is our strategy. This is my strategy. Why I'm saying this to buy and hold more Bitcoin? Because if we zoom out the price, I want to share with you another chart. So if we zoom out our price, so this is the daily price of Bybit exchange. If we zoom out this chart, why I'm saying that I'm buying more Bitcoin at spot? Because here at this level we fall around $42,000 from all-time high. So this is, in my opinion, a good support level to buy at spot and hold. If you think that we were like 6 months ago, the last all-time high was around $68,000, I'm still bullish, and I want to have more coins, because the price dropped really a lot, drop from $69,000 to $20,000. So this is the $17,000 or the lower. But if you can see here, the price of Bitcoin looks on recovery. Yeah, that's what I see. And also, if you can see this indicator, the lower one, it's called the Asher Rebounds indicator. It's really important for the price of Bitcoin. And if you can see closer, now the price of Bitcoin is still under capitulation phase. But after the end of the capitulation phase, there is always a recovery, and there is always a buy signal. So this is really important for the price of Bitcoin, because from here, maybe not yet, maybe it will require more time, maybe it will not be really fast and quick, but from here, the price of Bitcoin, in my opinion, can still recover and move higher. Also, if you can check here the money flow indicator right now in the daily, it turns once again. It turns like to go higher. This means that the money are coming in, and maybe here we have one, two, three oversold zones in the money flow indicator, and yeah, maybe the price of Bitcoin and the money flow indicator will move on the overbuy zone. So this is oversold and this is overbuy. So yeah, I'm still positive about the price of Bitcoin, and yeah, we had like three higher highs here. So this is really important, and looks great for a creation of a new cycle, of a new market cycle, and looks really nice for a possible recovery at the moment. And yeah, I expect that in this indicator, in the Asher Rebounds indicator, the capitulation will be finished maybe in the beginning of September, and I expect a buy signal and a recovery for the price of Bitcoin. So for me, this level is still good to buy. I don't want to be short here. I don't want to go over leverage. I don't want to lose money. I just want to accumulate here and have more coins. And yeah, this is my strategy, my personal strategy. But maybe you have better strategies. So I think that in the daily, and also in the weekly, the price of Bitcoin is still good to buy. Also, if there are a little bit different resistance in the weekly, I can see that, in my opinion, the weekly is still good to buy. Why is it good to buy? Because I spot different support level also in the weekly. So if you can see, this is the weekly of Bitcoin. We had this first resistance area after the bull run around $58,000, and then the price start moving lower, and after that we had the second resistance here around the $69,000, and yeah, the fall was really big. Yeah, I mean, from 69 we dropped down to $17,000. And here at $17,000, what can I see here is that we have this orange line here. So in my opinion, this orange line is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks is a good support level. Yeah, but if you can see here in blue, we had this resistance in the weekly. So what I expect now from here is to buy, and yeah, not immediately, but I expect a small recovery for the price of Bitcoin, at least to go at least at $30,000, and yeah, start a new market cycle. Yeah, so this is basically what I can see now. So, in my opinion, the price of Bitcoin is still good to buy, and I still expect a breakout somewhere around here, and yeah, a bullish continuation. Yeah. So this is what I expect at the moment. So yes, around something like this, around yeah here, 33,000 dollars. And yeah, I expect also in the Archery Bonds indicator the end of the capitulation phase and the start of the buy signal. Because yeah, this could be really great for the price of Bitcoin. Yeah. So don't go over leverage. If you want to go margin trading, take care. Always use your stop loss and your take profit. And yeah, I mean, don't fall in FOMO if you see the price goes really higher, and don't fall in FOMO. Try to understand what is happening at the moment for the price of Bitcoin. Don't rush anything and don't be quick. You still have time. Bitcoin is here to stay. And yes, basically my strategy is not to waste money on margin trading or leverage trading, but my strategy here around 22,000 and yeah, lower 17,000. My strategy here is just to buy at spot and hold more. Also, if you can see the daily, I expect at least a recovery until here, this line. So this line is really important to be retested and yeah, to be crossed, because I expect a higher high. So from here, we can see the first in the daily. We can see the first support around here, the $18,000, and yeah, from here I expect a breakout. So basically, yes, here I'm still bullish about the price of Bitcoin. I expect a breakout of this in the daily. So if you can see closer here, there are small support zone information from 1 week. So this is a really good, in my opinion, for the price of Bitcoin. Also, we had three higher low. So one higher low was here, the second here. And if we move closer, like in the 4 hour, if you can see the green, like here and here, this green means buying by pressure. So there is the buy pressure. So yeah, this is a good, really good update in my opinion. But yes, I want to check also the price of few altcoins. So let me start with Ethereum. I think that Ethereum could be better than Bitcoin at the moment, because they will release the last update really soon. So the price of Ethereum, as you can see, this is the weekly, but we can move closer in the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour is the same situation at the moment, but maybe it looks a little bit better, because Ethereum passed like to the 1,700 region, and it dropped just around the $200. And if you can see here, we had the same situation of Bitcoin. There is like one big support information. So I'm not going to short it here. I will go short only if we drop the price will drop more. so under $1,500. And yeah, for me, the price of the Ethereum is still good to buy. Yeah, I expect also a recovery in the price of Ethereum. I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum as well. And yeah, also today we had a huge pump on GXT. We had a pump on GXT today around 50%, 50%. Let's see, there is the dollar. GXT. Yeah, GXT pumped like the 50% from here. So yeah, the drop was really huge, but now he's making like 50% gains. So yes, this is good at the moment. It's like plus 76% for the moment, and then I can see Omni is pumping. Omni at the moment is plus 2%, and XTZ is like it's like plus 3% at the moment. So really, really many opportunities at the moment. The Phantom is plus 2%. Phantom USD. Phantom protocol is plus 2% at the moment. But yes, here it's facing some resistance around 0.3685. So the Phantom is still looking good. And yeah, Band. We have Tezos, yes, I already told. And we have Zcash. Zcash is plus 2%. Let me check the Zcash price. Cash is like plus 2%. We have wow. We have maybe this is good to buy around $62. Maybe it will recover. It has a bullish divergence here, and there is also a support level around $50. So the cash is good to buy. And also the last one is ApeCoin. ApeCoin got new, ultra new recent news. ApeCoin, yes, from $27 for fall dramatically and drastically to this level around $3 was the major support level. But after that, the price of ApeCoin, like yesterday, move higher than $7, and this can be considered like a breakout here. Yes, and also the yesterday they had a news that say that they are accepted as a payment method from Gucci and some luxury brands. So this is really good for ApeCoin. Yeah, at the moment there are no resistance in the data for ApeCoin, so the price could really go higher. Also, maybe the volume here could go really higher. So for the moment, the volume is not really good, but yeah, maybe it will increase. Yes, it's look about breaking out. At the moment, it's looking about breaking out, and yeah, it could go higher. Yeah, and there are a lot of good news, and yes, I'm still positive about the price of Bitcoin. Maybe it will reach around the $20 as well. So we finished our time. Thanks everyone for check our live show. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. So my name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super hyper mega super legend and the number one all around the world. And I hope that you like the show. If you like the show, smash the like, nuke the like, and please subscribe to our channel. We passed the 70,000 visualization. So it's really a good news. I'm super hyper mega happy. I can't wait to become bigger. And our show is going live every day. And yeah, subscribe to our social media, Crypto Legends, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Join our Telegram community. My name is CryptoBuck. Please follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And if you wanted to join the show and let me show your chart, let me show your indicator, show me your trading ideas, please share with me. Join, don't be shy. Come here to the live show. I'm really interested about to know more and improve my crypto knowledge. So, thank you everyone. For today, we finish our time. It was beautiful to stay with all of you. Thank you for checking our live update and ciao, crypto. Ciao everyone. Thanks for checking out. Thank you. Ciao.